This video goes on to bring you 5 potential dropshipping products. Let's get started. The first one is the portable espresso maker. According to its Google search trend, it has a huge potential market. Many of its videos swiftly amassed 100,000 views on TikTok, showing substantial hit-making potential. Firstly, it suits our contemporary and convenient life trends, letting users make coffee anytime, while traveling or working. Secondly, its novel design and functions help you trigger social media spread for marketing. Thirdly, if you own a coffee supply store, you can conduct package sales to enhance profitability. The second one is the soap dispenser brush. This product is mature and in high demand based on the growth of Google's search trends. Due to its practicality, it's popular on TikTok and can potentially be an evergreen product. Buyers express their recognition of this item, making more potential customers become your real client. To begin with, it combines soap and brush functions and has a novel design, attracting consumers who want convenience and innovation. In addition, its small and light features are good for storage and transport, cutting logistics and warehousing costs and enhancing operational efficiency. Look, the third one is the mushroom cat bowl. Numerous comparable products gain more popularity on TikTok, suggesting a vast market demand for this item. Its cute, unique shape attracts cat lovers. Safe materials ensure cats' healthy eating, making owners confident. Come and work with SourcinBox to get low-cost but high-quality products to keep your margins. Okay, come to the fourth one is the mini Bluetooth shower speaker. Its Google search volume is rising, indicating stable market demand. This product hit TikTok in Q4, triggering buzz. Many videos got millions of views, indicating numerous potential buyers. Seizing this dropshipping opportunity for good returns and a market edge would be best. Its waterproof design and high sound quality cater to the needs of users to enjoy music while taking a bath. This item became trending on TikTok. Don't miss this viral product for your business. Last but not least is the space heater under the desk. The increasing volume of its Google searches indicates that more customers are more willing to buy. Many TikTok users shared usage videos, triggering heated talk and pursuit. Sourcing this product is very attractive. Small, speedy heating and energy efficient. These features cleverly solve the problem of cold feet in the winter office. Grab this seasonal hit and profit.